The topic which we are going to learn today is shortcut for square calculation. We can calculate squares through traditional methods as well, but that is very time consuming, and in exams like SSC and bank PO the time is a very important factor. So we are going to learn square calculation through shortcuts. First of all, we will take 2-digit numbers. The first example which we are going to take is 82. We will break 82 into two parts, that is a into b, and then we will apply b square twice ab into then a square. A square is 4, twice ab is 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. We will write 2 and then 3 will be carried. Then b square is 64. 64 we will write as it is and then we will add it. 4, then 2, then 4 plus 3 is 7 and 6. 6724 is the square of 82. Then the next example which we can take is 88. We will do the same thing, that is break it into two parts, b and a, and then we will apply the formula. 8 into 8 is 64, 6 will be carried. Then twice a into b, that is 64 into 2, 128, 8, and then 12 will be carried. 8 ka square is 64, we'll write down and then we'll add it. 4, 8 and 6 is 14, 4 and 2 is 6, 6 and 1 is 7, and then 6 and 1 is 7. 7744 is the square of 88. The next example that we can take is 36. Then for this number we'll calculate the square of 6, that is 36. 3 will be carried. 6 into 3 is 18, 18 into 2 is 36, 6, then 3 will be carried, and the square of 3 is 9. We'll add it. 6, 6 and 3 is 9, and 9 and 3 is 12. 1296 is the square of 36. Similarly, we can calculate the square of 3-digit numbers, and the first example that we are going to take is 112. We'll break it into two parts, a and b, and then apply the same procedure. 2, the square of 2 is 4, and then 11 into 2 is 22, then into 2 is 44, we'll write 4, 4 will be carried, and the square of 11 is 121, we'll write down 121 and add 4, then 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 and 1. 12544 is the square of 1, 1 and 2. The next example is 1, 0 and 6. Same procedure can be applied. 6 square 36, 3 will be carried. 10 into 6 60, 120 into 2 120, we'll write 0, then 12 will be carried, and then the square of 10 is 100. We'll add it. 6, 3, 2 and 0 is 2, 1 and 1. 11236 is the square of 10 and 6. Then the next example is 3, 1 and 2. It will be broken into two parts. The square of 2 is 4, then 31 into 2 into 2, that is 120 and 4, we'll write 4, 12 will be carried. The square of 31 is 961, and then we'll add it. 4, then 4, 2 plus 1 is 3, 6 and 1 is 7 and 9. 97344 is the square of 3, 1 and 2. The next example is 125. It will be broken into two parts, a and b. The square of 5 is 25, 2 will be carried. 12 into 5 is 60, into 2 120, 0, 12 will be carried. The square of 12 is 144. Then we will add it. 5, 2, 6, 5 and 1. 15625 is the square of 120 and 5. The next example is 105. We'll apply the same procedure. The square of 5 is 25, 2 will be carried. 10 into 5 50, 50 into 2 100, 0 will be written, then 10 will be carried. The square of 10 is 100, we'll write 100 and then add it. 5, 2, 0, 1 and 1. 11025 is the square of 10 and 5. The next example is 2, 1 and 6. We'll break it into two parts. The square of 6 is 36, 3 will be carried. 21 into 6 into 2, that is 252, we'll write 2, the unit digit number, and 25 will be carried. The square of 21 is 441, we'll write 441 and add. 6, 3 and 2 is 5, 5 and 1 is 6, 4 and 2 is 6, and then 4. 46656 is the square of 216. So you can see that we can save a lot of time by calculating squares through this shortcut, and the squares of very large number can be calculated by this formula, and a lot of time can be saved in the exams like SSC and Bank PO. So keep watching the videos for learning more shortcuts for calculating squares and cubes and many more.